This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskell. Beautifully renovated deep water, all brick home in Alanton. Water is 2.5 feet at low tide, 5 feet at high tide with bulkhead dock and pilings plus private boat ramp on property. Enjoy boating every day from your backyard. 2021 reno from top to bottom including HVAC, roof, windows, kitchen, baths, flooring, fixtures and countertops. Great flow floor plan with very light and bright interior. Gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances open to living space. Every bedroom has direct access to a stunning bath with upgrades galore. Almost 1 acre lot with very large backyard. Approved for pool by city with drawings available for backyard space. 2.5 car garage. For more information, review the details below.